Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Luoshi-278 model, a light green colored body fountain pen. And this video is specifically taken to give the clear insight on the pen, because just with photos you can't understand the full details about this pen. And here this pen has a golden trim set, which is the clip portion, which is resembling the Parker's model, and even the pens also a little. And the brand's name and the model's number was engraved in this golden ring part. And yeah, see the aesthetic of this pen. And yeah, this is a clip type opening, and here this is a golden grip portion. This is a triangular grip portion. You can hold this very comfortably. And this is a hooded nib, which size is number of 51, and you can swap with any other number 51 nibs as you like, since we have number 51 nibs in medium tip and fine tip, and again with the golden and dual tone, means a golden and a silver plated also. And the ink filling system here is a converter type one. You can also use cartridges for this. You can move this part upwards and dip in the ink, and push this back, and the ink will be filled up this part. And yeah, this is simple. And also you can fix the cartridges in this pen easily. And the most important thing in maintaining a fountain pen is, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage so in the feeder. So it will give you a scratchy writing, and the ink will dry quickly. Then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. So the reason is the blockage in the feeder's groove. So to clean that, you can easily remove this feeder on the nib unit by holding and pushing out, taking out, and wash the feeder with soap water or in normal waters. You can remove this and soak the feeder part in soap water for an hour, and then you can easily brush and clean this part. So this is a simple process, and this will give a long run to your fountain pens. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water, and unless otherwise we have good maintenance, the flow will be affected. And yeah, I'm going to give the writing sample of this. For that, I'm using our Penhouse Emerald Green ink, which is our most favorite charming color. Yeah, the writing is so good and it's so smooth too. If you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.